Here's very popular Themify app and how to install lock screen widgets with Themify. So first of all, you need to have iOS 16, meaning you need to have iPhone 8 or later, and then you can just go to this feature tab, explore, and then select any widgets you like. However, a lot of widgets, lock screen widgets, they require premium subscription. So then you just select widget, and then you need to save it to your app, and then you see saved. It's saved. So now what you can do, just go to settings app, and then go to wallpaper, and then tap customize, tap add widgets, and then you need to select Themify. And Themify has a lot of widgets. They have chat widget. When your friend sends you a message, it will appear on your lock screen widget. They have small widgets, so that's what we're gonna choose. And then they have large widgets. They have also auto widgets. So every time you just save a new widget in the Themify app, it will automatically appear on your lock screen. And yeah, so just select the small widget, tap it, add here, and then just you need to hold it or double tap or something like that, and then just select dynamic or like whatever. Just you will see all the widgets saved in your Themify app. And then there you have it, like now the widget appears on your lock screen. So yeah, hope that is helpful.